So, my name is Dina, and I'm from Lithuania. Since 2011, I live in Scotland. 5 years in in Gape, I live in London, but I come back in Scotland because I love Scotland very much. So, do you know where is Glasgow? Scotland, yeah? Yes, yes. I'm very happy stand here. My story is not very long, you know. In May, I just try to products and to make registration. So summertime, you know, I come back to Lithuania. I was boring. I just thinking what I can to do. I like action. I very like action. So and I speak with my best friend ChatGPT. 5 days. What is atomy? Where is money? I like make money. Really, I like make money. So, and I understand what is good, really good. So, and from September, I start to work in last days on August in my car. We always traveling to Lithuania in car because we have a dog. So I start thinking what I need to do. And I understand I just need to speak about it. I don't know why, but I understand what I need to speak, just speak. Regina, first my client was, thank you. So, you know, from September, this moment, everything start very quickly. Quickly, you know. After 2 months, I stay here in Sales Master. I still not imagine how happened with me, you know. I'm really happy. I try not cry because I'm very sensitive person. Sorry, my English is still not poor. It's still poor. So, and I reached my journey halfway level and everything was going well. I think I'm in good way. I see a lot of happy and lovely people here. I find very friendly people in this company, and doesn't matter where you live, you know? Absolutely doesn't matter. And doesn't matter what you, well, how is calling? Leg stay, one leg, another leg, because this binary have a lot of legs. I think so it's thousands legs. So it's very good feels. I feeling myself very strong, and I know what I'm here. I'm home. I'm happy. Yeah. So I lost my text. Sorry. So I actually I would like to say very very big thanks for support me. And first, this my first sponsor, Danuta Suchovska from Lithuania. Thank you. Secondly, Diana Ottison, my mom from Latvia. So thank you. And thank you so much, Talia and Moon-gyeon Kim from Korea. All these people just let me know how I can quickly and quality, yes, go to my goals. So if you remember, I say, I like make money. I like it. I like how when people make money with me as well. So I would like to say big heart for United Kingdom support from office. It's very quickly, just I'm writing and after 3 hours I have an answer. Thank you so much. It's fantastic. Ooh, thank you for my husband. He is my partner now. And he today not here, he stay at home. But next time, I hope we will together. I hope goals for next year. I would like to become diamond. I would like to create 4 happy people for sales masters. So maybe more, I don't know. I would like to go to Korea, and I think so I will do it. So, and thank you for everything. Just, I write text, but I'm not reading text. Just, thank you very much. Thank you.
Well done. Congratulations.